Welcome. In front of me is HONOR X8a, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now I do want to point out it does actually, it looks like it matters which side we swipe down from. Oh, no, never mind. So if you have kind of divide between notifications and toggles, you want to swipe from the right side. Anyway, and here we're looking for a screen recorder, which for me it is located right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. If you're doing this the first time around, it will ask you for access to a couple things, so we're just gonna select allow while using app. Okay. I am gonna mute the microphone, which does start off by being enabled. So as you can see, it is recording right now. Whatever you'll do will be recorded, but there is a caveat to it. If you open up garbage applications like Netflix, which I'm gonna showcase just because it's a fantastic application to do so. Okay, I'm gonna do that in this in the next screen recording. I first need to connect to network. So I am connecting to network just so I can showcase this problem. So anyway, let's just get back to our screen recorder, start. And I'm gonna just jump straight into it. So it will try to open up Netflix, and on the video and on the screen right now, you will see that it's doing just fine. It's loading everything in here. Eventually, we have a sign in button, which means I am not signed in. Any kind of Netflix bullshit right here, I'm just gonna select reject. So I haven't agreed to anything, neither terms of service because I haven't signed in, nor this pop-up, which I just rejected flat out. And here we have some bunch of content visible, right? Cool. I'm gonna now close this and stop the screen recording by tapping on the little timer right there. This will save my screen recording to the photos or gallery application, whatever we have right here, which looks like it's gallery. Agree. And you can see our screen recording somewhere right here. This is because it was just created, but later on you can probably find it under albums and screenshots. Screenshots and also videos. So it's in two different albums. So two different categories assigned to it. Screenshots might be easier as it is a screen recording, so it will be mixed with just screenshots and screen recordings, but again, much faster to find it than searching through like entire library of videos. Anyway, so this is the second one, I believe, that I have captured. Yep, I jumped straight into this. And again, keep in mind, I have not agreed to anything of this garbage application. As right now, you should see a sign-in button, which isn't visible right here. And in a second, I don't know if there are touch inputs here, probably not. Oh no, there are. So this dot basically shows where I was pressing my finger on the display. So that was the reject where I selected it, and now I'm swiping down, which there was content visible, obviously, but you can see absolutely jack all. And the reason for that is because Netflix uses Android option which is designed for privacy and security. What it does is basically prevents any kind of application like ones that you use for capturing screenshots or screen recordings from being able to see the screen. This is done like the function would suggest for security of the user, though it's implemented in a correct way for instance, applications like bank apps. It might get sometimes annoying that you can't capture a screenshot in your bank application, but if you ever downloaded some kind of malware and that malware tries to see your bank information, just so it can then utilize it for its own nefarious reasons, what it would be able to see is just a straight up black screen. So you can imagine how that would be beneficial to you. But where it's not, because you don't provide any goddamn information that would harm you, is Netflix. This is done as a malicious kind of way to not allow you to record any kind of content from Netflix. It's done primarily for, I would assume, piracy reasons, but let's be honest, if you're recording screen to pirate Netflix content, you're doing it wrong. So it's just annoying, all in all. And Netflix isn't the only application that does this. The only reason why I'm pointing finger at it and just kind of crapping all over it is because it comes pre-installed with your device. And you haven't agreed to any terms of use, and yet it's just doing whatever the hell it wants. So, comes pre-installed, gives me a free rein to just crap on it. Anyway, and now, with that being said, if you ever find any kind of application that utilizes this, so you basically end up with a black screen recorder, just know that there's nothing you can do about it. It's part of like Android, and if app decides to use it, that's it. You're screwed. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.